Throughout the world, in countries rich and poor, tens of millions of people are struggling to survive on the street or in limbo and temporary shelters. Most people are familiar with the sight of homelessness and agonize over what's to be done. But homelessness is a solvable problem. I'm Rosanne Haggerty. I'm the president of Community Solutions. Homelessness is one of the most serious contributors to poor social outcomes. It undermines families' and individuals' health, their ability to maintain employment, children's ability to complete school. Long-term homelessness takes as much as 25 years off people's lives. What we're learning is the solution to homelessness is to reframe it as a public health challenge, not simply a problem of housing supply. And that requires a very different approach. The Built for Zero initiative is a national movement that involves 75 large cities and counties in the United States, and it's shifting the way communities understand the problem. First, a community has to understand that this can't be solved by a collection of individual program efforts. What is needed is what we call more of a command center approach. Everyone around the same table agreeing to share a single goal, which is zero homelessness. The next big shift is using by name real-time information. Each person, each family is experiencing something very different in the form of a housing crisis. And without knowing that information, it's almost impossible to permanently solve their situation. And then lastly, building housing or providing other resources in response to what your community's data is telling you is the specific problem. Communities like Rockford, Illinois and Jacksonville, Florida were early adopters of our Built for Zero initiative. They were willing to do the work of bringing together a community team that would operate above individual organizations. They have gone out and identified by name everyone experiencing homelessness in the community, and they match resources to the specific needs of individuals. They problem solve as a team on a weekly, if not daily basis, and that's changed the game in these two communities and many others. We now have 12 communities in the United States that have ended chronic or veteran homelessness. And what's striking is that communities have different resources, different cultures, but this different way of working is making the difference. Imagine a world where homelessness is rare, brief when it happens, and really gets fixed for those people to whom it happens the first time.